Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove card from Lyft app. So in order to do this, first of all open the Lyft application, and after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, click on the three-lined icon at the top left of the screen. Now you will see a list of options. From these options, click on the payment button. After you click on payment, it is going to show you this page where you'll have to just select your card under payment methods. So click on your card under payment methods and it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to edit your card. So click on the delete button here and select delete card. After you click on delete card, it is instantly going to remove your card from the Lyft application. After removing the card, you can add it again just by going to payments, clicking on add payment method, selecting credit or debit card and add your new card. So that's a simple way to remove card from the Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.